Hi everybody, this is CR number 5 helper video for question number 4 coming at you. And we're going to look at variables right now on both sides of the equal sign. So the first thing I want to do is, once again, I want to get all my variables over here on the left side of the equal sign. That's where we like to have them in order to solve a two-step equation, so that's where I need them to be. So I'm going to start this equation by drawing my ladder. Here it is. Remember, we work our way down the ladder to find our solution to x. And the first thing I have to do is look over here at my variable negative 1x. I'm going to go ahead and put a 1 in there. It helps me to combine them with other values of x. And what I have to do here is make it 0. I want 0 x's on the right side of the equal sign. So I have to do the opposite of a negative 1x. Well, the opposite of a negative 1x is a positive 1x, or adding 1x. Anything I do to one side of the equal sign, I have to do to the other. Remember to put it under the x values because those are like terms. These values zero out, which is exactly what I want them to do, because I want that negative 20 to be by itself on this side. And I want all my variables to be on this side. So now I have 5x's plus another x will give me 6x's. I go ahead. Oh, sorry, it looks like a y. I go ahead and I bring down my -2 and my equal sign. Now I know that I need to get x by itself on the left side here, so I'm going to remove all the constants from this side to bring them over to the other side. The opposite of subtracting 2, let me change my color, is adding 2. So I'm going to go ahead and add 2 to this side to zero it out. Anything I do to one side, I am going to do the other because they have to remain equal at all times. A -2 plus 2 is 0, which is exactly what I want, so that I only have x's on this side. I bring down my equal sign, and -20 plus 2. Well, I have 20 bad guys and 2 good guys. I have actually 18 more bad guys because I have more bad guys than good guys, and I have 18 more. Now I'm going to go ahead and switch colors again for the next step. I'm realizing that the coefficient of 6 is being multiplied by my variable of x, and the opposite of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 6. Sorry about that. Anything I do to one side, I do to the other. My coefficient, 6 divided by 6, is just a fancy form of 1, which is awesome because that's what I want, 1x. And then I bring down the equal sign, and I know a negative divided by a positive is a negative, and 18 divided by 6 is 3. So there you go. That's your answer. X equals -3. You go ahead and try number 4. Good luck.